When you hear the word robot, you probably imagine a humanoid machine, right? But what if I told you some of the most jaw-dropping and innovative robots on Earth don't look human at all? Engineers from around the world are turning to nature for inspiration, creating machines based on animals of the land, sky, and sea. These aren't your typical robots. They're wild, unexpected, and truly mind-blowing. You won't believe what number 5 can do. So buckle up and get ready for the top 10 most mind-blowing animal-inspired robots. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest informative uploads. First up, a futuristic creation from a German automation company. At first glance, it looks like a sci-fi creature, but it's actually modeled after the flying fox, the largest species of bat. This robot doesn't just flap its wings. It perches, moves its head, and even hangs upside down like a real bat. With over 45,000 points of wing articulation and built-in infrared sensors, this robotic marvel flies semi-autonomously through a motion-tracked environment. Insane, right? Coming up next, the amphibious salamander-inspired robot. Designed in Switzerland using 3D printing tech, this robot walks on land and swims like a pro. Engineers carefully studied salamander movement and brought it to life, making this bot ideal for rescue missions on rough terrains and underwater zones. Half lizard, half robot, fully amazing. Meet the robotic falcon. It looks and moves like a peregrine falcon, one of the fastest predators in the sky. This bot was designed to scare off birds near airports, mimicking a natural predator that birds never get used to. Remote-controlled and ultra-lightweight at 750 grams. This robotic hunter is changing aviation safety one flight at a time. Now, prepare to be mesmerized by robotic butterflies. Yes, butterflies. Weighing just 32 grams, these delicate robots flap and glide effortlessly through the air. And here's the mind-blowing part. They avoid collisions mid-air using 10 cameras that track every movement and sync them with a central computer. They're not just flying, they're dancing. Let's roll literally. Here's the robotic spider that does more than creep you out. It walks like a real spider, but when it folds its legs, it rolls like a high-speed wheel. Developed by Festo in 2018, this spider bot is both agile and fast, though it prefers smooth surfaces for those wild spins. Creepy cool, right? Now, meet the Dragonfly drone, another Festo masterpiece. It uses 4 independent wings to hover, move in every direction, and stay rock solid in midair. Think helicopter, but sleeker. It's one of the most stable flying robots ever created, and it's light as air. Let's go underwater with an eel-inspired robot. Created by Norwegian engineers, this snake-like bot swims deep below the surface, performing maintenance and exploration missions on the ocean floor. It doesn't need air, doesn't need rest, and can carry tools and cameras on its slithering body. If James Bond were a fish, this would be his sidekick. Say hello to the Crabster CR200. Weighing 600 kilograms, this crabbot moves effortlessly across rough sea beds and land, tackling even the fiercest underwater currents. With a top speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour and strong front legs for multitasking, this Korean-engineered robot is redefining ocean exploration. Hopping into action, here's the robotic kangaroo. This bot jumps like a real kangaroo and even stores energy from each leap to power the next one. Weighing just 7 kilograms, it jumps 1 foot high and 2.5 feet forward, maintaining perfect balance using a futuristic control system strapped to your wrist. It's not just a robot, it's a bionic athlete. And finally meet Spot, the dog-like robot from Boston Dynamics that can open doors, climb stairs, fetch your mug, and stay stable through anything. It even lifts up to 10 kilograms using its robotic arm. And if it ever falls, it pops right back up like a boss. It's no exaggeration to say, this is the most advanced robotic pet on the planet. So, which of these animal-inspired robots blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic tech content.